Hi, I'm Darren Wang, founder and CEO of OwlTing Group, listed on Nasdaq as OWLS. Each day of the week, I will explain one piece of what we do for the future. The common issue with the current banking system, if you want to make a cross-border payment, let's say you want to buy stocks, wire the money to different stock exchange or broker in different countries, usually it takes days and the fee was about $30 to $40. It's not efficient. Let's say if you are using Bitcoin, the value change every second. It's not suitable to pay in the business or your family. That's why stablecoin was invented, which means that if you pay $10, it's always $10. A stablecoin is the digital currencies. For example, USDT or USDC, they are backed by US dollar 1-to-1. If you are switching $1 to $1 USDC, the money is always the same. Since stablecoin means the money is in the digital token format, when the money travels, it travels through the blockchain network, not in the traditional SWIFT network. Every transaction is recorded on the public blockchain ledger. So the only cost is the gas fee and the regulation cost during the process. Every day, we are working hard to make a new achievement for the company. Follow us on X, LinkedIn, or YouTube for the latest update.